So I have the thing right here, and see this white Play-Doh. I go like this, and I need to take it out. Taking it out, and that's not all you need. You need a lot more. You need a rolling pin like this, and you roll it out till you see it's very wide and flat. It's not very wide yet, so when it gets flat, you need to go like this. And undo that, and it's very, very flat. You can go like that, and then you can do this, like that, and then more, and more, and my way, see this man fix it, and we go like that, it goes more and more, and right here you need to do it, and like this you need to do it, and like that you need to do it, and sometimes you don't. This I need to do that way, but you can do it like this too. The best thing about it at the end is you wrap it up, and then you go like this. And then I know what else you do. You need to do like this. You have it straight up like that. You take your can of black Play-Doh. You take a little bit out. But you need to grab it with a thing like this if you have one. If you don't, just use your own. But I use that. And to make the circles like this, and then do it like that, take it out, and you do like this, and then you take the other eyeball and stick it on too, and then you need a little line to go like that. That's Baymax. And you know what's inside of him? You can see up here, it says it's wide, but that's not all. Because you need to put some in the egg. And do you know what I put in the egg? Let me see that. Can you help me get it out, Dad? Dad, can you help me get this out? Please. Please can you help me get the Play-Doh out? And and here's his hat. You can see I made a hole in it. There. Are you ready for me to open it? See this hat? I took it off. And now I'm going to take off the eye. And then I'm going to take off the white Play-Doh. And then, as you can see, it opened up itself. And there's the car. And there's the truck. A piece of paper. Number 2. A 2.
Oh.
And a parrot. Listen to this. Not. Where's my house? Subscribe and make sure to see more videos like this. And give us a thumbs up.